How to fix half swipe on the Instagram. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. And one thing is very important to notice that what you have to do is to make sure that your Instagram application is running on the latest version. So simply go ahead, hit Play Store, and in the Play Store, make sure you check that there is no pending update available for the Instagram. And once you do that, simply go to the main menu and then hover over the application. Maybe this will fix the issue, but if the issue still persists, what you have to do is to go and click on the uh, Instagram application and then go to the app information right here. So in the app information, it is very important to clear the cache because sometimes the bugs and these sort of things get stored in the cache memory, and all you have to do is to go to the storage and clear the data. For example, clear the cache and other stuff. That way, you will be able to resolve the half swipe issue. So it is that simple. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Take care. Bye bye.